In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the audio back. Down here you can see the track there, so if you tap on it, it brings back the audio track. You can see the options up here. If you need more options, you can do a right click there and there's more menu options there. Also, sometimes the audio can disappear if it's like that. If you go to the end of the video, there's more information on retrieving your audio. If you're using your web version of Canva, if you come out of that, go into the application, that's another fixed workaround. Sometimes if you're using the Canva mobile app, if you close the mobile app and then restart it, check see if there's any updates, and then that's another workaround. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.